folks, so tonight we are in Dubai, in Business Bay, with a nice downtown view. I'll show that a little bit later. But here is our suite room tour. So we are in room 1614. Alright, so when you first walk in, you have a nice living room area with a tall tray ceiling. Plenty of counter space and table space to put your bags or belongings. Decent sized TV. Nice couch. So unlike the Dominican or Mexico, especially the Paradisos hotels, Canal Central does not wrap the remotes for the TVs in any particular COVID, protective, packages, but it's all very neat and it's all clearly clean. It smells clean in here, so no worries about COVID. Okay, and here you have a bedroom area with another view of the downtown area here in Business Bay. Another couch, seat, and then you also have a nice king-size bed. Again, apologies for our bags, but we have about a 40-inch TV here. Typical hotel coffee maker and set. Plenty of closet space with some robes, extra bedding or pillows. And you got an ironing board and all that stuff over there. And then moving on, we have the bathroom. So the bathroom is a dual vanity. And then when you come in here, you have two showers. One's a bath and a shower combination with a rain water head, and then there's a standalone shower with the same rain water head. And then you have the bidet and the toilet area. All very nicely appointed. In addition to the beautiful designs here, they provide you with a lot of little amenities. So you have shaving kit, you have a dental kit for both people in these little cups. You also have a comb, vanity kit, sanitary bag, a shower cap, and then a bunch of different shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and mouthwash, as well as your regular expected soaps. Just exquisite. And on the outside, I will cut to that in a little bit or post another video, but that is the Canal Central Hotel in Business Bay in Dubai.